Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flower. I'm Robin, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek, a preview and walkthrough of the Erin Condren Life Planner and all the new accessories that are launching next week. If you have been watching my channel for any length of time, you'll know what a fan I am of Erin Condren. I use their planners to manage everything from our family schedule, meal planning, budgeting, even Bible study. And I have a video that goes into detail about how I use all of those things to maximize productivity here in our home. So I will have that linked above. And if you are interested in all the great goodies that Erin Condren has in store for this season, then keep watching. Launch week for Erin Condren this year is April 27th to 28th for Erin Condren Insiders. And to become an insider, all you have to do is register. I'll have a link in the description box. And for everyone else, it will be on April 29th. And Erin Condren was kind enough to send all of these things to me to review for you guys and give you this preview. So I just want to say thank you to them. As you can see, there are some really beautiful designs available this year, and I'm going to show you right off my life planner. And I chose this in the Flower Power motif, and this is the first time I believe that Erin Condren has offered a floral that continues throughout the planner. So I'm excited to show you that. And it comes in this gorgeous mint green box. It's got a really subtle design on it, and it's great for storing your life planner or any other accessories that you like. All of the Erin Condren covers can be customized and personalized, so I chose my initials. And again, this year they are including the ruler, which is a really nice sturdy plastic ruler that can be easily separated from the binding. On the inside, there's a little packet of goodies. This is something that they've done for the last few seasons as well. And it just contains a couple of gift stickers, some coupons, one for you and one for a friend, and these little encouraging bookmark cards. Also included is this foil edge sticker that is perfect for labeling your box. Now I'm just going to walk you through the planner so that you can see the new design and all of the great features. And I chose the hourly layout in the Flower Power design, and I also chose the 18-month calendar. So mine might look a little bit bulky. You have some different choices on that, and all of that information will be on the website. Because I chose an 18-month planner, my at-a-glance calendar goes from July 2020 to December 21, so that's 18 months. I assume that with the 12-month planner, you would have 12 months on this page. And they are still including this intentions or goals page with 12 different boxes for you to customize in any way that you like. Each month has its own cover sheet, and I love in the Flower Power how they have a different motif for each month, a different color and a different flower. That theme for the month is carried throughout the entire month, and you can see it here on the monthly layout page. A couple of changes that I did notice was that they put this calendar sheet before the dashboard page, and to the left of the dashboard page they eliminated the format that they had before, and now they've given you a full lined page, which I really love because that gives me a lot of space to put notes and add things that I like. Plus, this dashboard page is completely blank, and so each of the boxes is totally customizable. Before they had labeled things like birthdays and monthly goals. Now you can use it however you like, and I love that. This year I chose the hourly layout for the first time. Up until now I've been a huge fan of the vertical layout. I still like that one, and there's also a horizontal layout, so there should be something to suit every personality, but I'm hoping that having the specific blocks of time throughout the day will help me be a little bit more organized and also help with productivity and efficiency, so we're trying that out this year. Once I move into this planner in July, I'm going to figure that out. So if you guys are interested in a video on that, let me know in the comment section. The biggest change really for me is this Flower Power motif. I love the seasonally appropriate colors and flowers that they have chosen for each month, and I think it's a really great way to bring a newness and a freshness to this year without changing things that I already love, like the layouts and the general composition of the Life Planner. I know those are features that I love and a lot of you do too, and we don't want to see a ton of change with those things. So this is the perfect way to switch it up and make it new for this year. The only other change that I did notice was at the back of the planner, there are now additional lined sheets. Here they did offer previously a combination of lined and dot grid plus some pattern sheets. I really love that change. I like having all the extra lined sheets. So for me, it's a really good change. This year's planner still has the contact sheet and the at-a-glance calendar for the year ahead, with lots of additional space for making notes for your plans for the coming year. And of course, there are 4 pages of stickers included in the back, and this year's stickers are just as gorgeous as ever. They all have a foil detail, and I love them. And if you guys like stickers when you're doing your planning, then you're gonna love these this year. And again this year, there is a double-sided pocket page. It's a really sturdy place for storing things like your extra stickers or receipts. And this year they have brought back the Perpetual Planner, so that's really nice to have included as well. And so it's organized by month, and there's a line for each day. So I think it's wonderful for keeping track of appointments and birthdays. They also give you lots of space on the inside, back and front covers, which are laminated, to use your wet or dry erase markers. And again this year you have your choice of quail color. Platinum is my favorite. The other new design pattern is layers, and it comes in colorful and neutral, and it is beautiful as well. So if florals is not your thing, I think you will really like this one. And of course, you can customize your life planner choosing either vertical, horizontal, or hourly layouts. And for the first time this season, Erin Condren is introducing the Daily Life Planner Duo. And this is a 12-month calendar that is divided into 2 different 6-month volumes. This is a great option if you like lots of room for planning. Each day of the week has a full page with an hourly layout column on the left and plenty of room for to-dos and lists on the right. So if that suits your planning style, definitely check this one out. As I said earlier, it's easy to become an Erin Condren insider, and you get some perks like being able to order on April 27th and 28th ahead of the regular launch date on April 29th. Plus, while supplies last, you'll be able to choose 2 of these free gifts with your purchase. There's no fee involved, and all you have to do is register using my link in the description box. And now I'm going to show you all of the beautiful accessories, starting with the ones in the Flower Power motif. This ballpoint pen is gorgeous and would make a beautiful Mother's Day or graduation gift. This has beautiful rose gold accents, and you can also get it in the layers design. These are the mini snap-in bookmarks. They come 3 in a pack, and these are in the Flower Power motif. These are the Flower Power Snap-In Stylized Sticky Notes, and there's 9 different pads with different patterns for a total of 180 sticky notes. Because it snaps right into the quill of your binder, all of the sticky notes are really handy for using within your life planner. They are perfectly sized for the spaces in your planner, and they're also great for using outside your planner. I am a huge fan of these snap-in dashboards. This one has priorities and to-dos on one side and the days of the week on the other, and it's my favorite way to keep track of my to-do list and my weekly cleaning routine. So I can easily use my wet or dry erase markers and switch it up every week. Also included in my box was this extra set of 4 sticker sheets that are just like the ones in the back of the Life Planner. So if you know that you're going to use those stickers and want more, they will be available too. For all of you sticker lovers out there, the Flower Power sticker book for this season is gorgeous. There are 525 colorful and mixed metallic stickers in this collection. They are such high quality, and I know you guys are going to love them. The Planny Pack is an accessory that has been popular on Erin Condren for several seasons. This year you can get it in the Flower Power or the Layers design. The elastic band is in the rose gold metallic, and the zipper is also rose gold, and I really love this peach color on the inside. It has sort of a vinyl material on the outside, which I think would be really durable, and on the package it says, "This stylish pack holds your pens and essentials while the elastic band slips easily over your planner for on-the-go organization. And I could definitely see myself using this. It's going to be great for keeping all of the pens and even stickers, anything that you might want to have with you if you go on vacation, or if you like to carry your planner from place to place when you have some free time, do a little planning, it's perfect for that. In my recent weekly productivity and planning video, I showed you guys how I was using my Petite planner, and they have some new designs for this as well. This is their monthly planner, and so it has each month of the year and then a lot of dot grid pages in the back. So definitely check those out if you guys love the Petite planner. That's one system that I am totally in love with, because I think it is one of the most customizable planners available from Erin Condren. And so basically you can pick 4 different planners. In mine, I have a monthly planner, a weekly planner, a budget book, and a meal planning book. And there are so many others that you can choose from to customize one for yourself. So check those out too. Out of all the new accessories for this season, this is probably my favorite. It's the DIY Interchangeable Pen Kit. You use the 2 barrels included to create your own dual-sided markers. And so there are 4 highlighter tips, 6 medium tips, and 3 fine tips in all of these beautiful colors. And they coordinate so well with the new LifePlanner. And I think this is going to be a lot of fun to play around with. I love the colors that are included in this kit, and all of the different tip choices make it really fun. It's going to coordinate really well with both the Flower Power and the layers design. And as I showed you in the Flower Power motif, how each month has its own color, I think it'll be really fun to coordinate the tips to go along with that and change them out each month. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek into the new LifePlanner and accessories coming your way from Erin Condren. As you can see, there are a lot of exciting changes and fun new things, so make sure that you check them out for launch week next week, April 27th, and use my link in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love to have you join our Faith and Flower community by subscribing. Subscribing is absolutely free and easy. And if you click on the bell icon, you will be notified each time I upload a new video so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I look forward to talking with you in the comments and seeing you in the next video. Have a great week.